Hello viewers, welcome to another tutorial by Project Maker. In this video, we will be discussing about another data structure, that is stack. So basically, stack is a data structure that follows last in, first out principle. Let us understand stack with a basic example. Suppose there are stack of plates. When we try to place the plates on table, we place the first plate, on that we then place the second plate, and so on. But when we take plate from the stack of plates, we take the plate which is at the top of all the plates, which means that the last element we kept will be used first. This is what we call stack. The last element inserted will be removed first. It is exactly opposite of queue data structure, which follows first in first out principle. I have already created the video on queue, which is here. So if you are new to this channel, then please watch this video before watching this. Now let's move on to the practical implementation of stack. So as you can see, I already created a stack.cpp file. I will just open it now. So I have prepared the basic CPP template. So now let's start with the implementation of stack. So first is declaration. So stack is declared using a keyword called as stack, the data type of stack which is int, and let's say the name of stack will be st. Inserting element in stack. Inserting element in stack is the easiest thing. We just have to write the name of stack, which is st in our case, push the keyword and the element, let's say 1, and semicolon. So let's push few more elements. So as you can see, I have inserted 4 elements in stack. So the arrangement in the stack was in this way. So the topmost element here will be 4 because it was inserted last in the stack. After that 3, 2 and 1. So the last element or the bottom element of stack is 1 and the top element of stack is 4. So now let's print the top element. So I will just write cout the top element is, and simply st.top, which will be the topmost element of stack. Now let's run the program. So as you can see, the top element is 4, which is right. Now let's move ahead. Deleting element from stack. Deleting element is the easiest task. We just have to type st.pop and the topmost element gets deleted. So in our case, 4 will be deleted from a stack. Now let's check the size of stack using st.size function. So let's add cout for better understanding. Stack size is, and enter for better understanding. So let's run the program. So as you can see, the stack size has become 3, which was 4 earlier. Now let's move ahead, which is printing elements from stack. We will start with the infinite while loop, which will check that stack is empty or not, which is st.empty function. So this loop will run until stack becomes empty. Now let's print the topmost element of stack. So st.top. So this will print topmost element of stack and space after that, and we should pop that element after printing so that it will be easier for us, and just write new line here. So let's run the program. So as you can see, the elements are 3, 2 and 1. Now let's move ahead. Now check if stack is empty. We can check the stack is empty or not using the function st.empty, which we have already used earlier. But let's check once again. So let's write is stack empty. It should return 1 because our stack is empty. So let's run the program. Oh, there is error. So I have not written semicolon here. Let's write the semicolon, clear the output and run the output once again. So as you can see, is stack empty. So these were all the basic functions you should know before implementing stack concept. Here comes the end of this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.